What types of points or data are you collecting most often?
When I was first, testing it out, I have a couple plots, and to create the area of the plot, I tried, holding the GEO-MEASURE in my hand and then walking the line. Because the GEO-MEASURE is so accurate, I realized that it's not actually straight, but like for my use case, it's basically straight. So what I did is I would just go to each corner of the plot, like 4 corners, get that data into the computer, and then build the plot from that. But I also, like I think you mentioned a little bit before, I'm working on like a makeshift road. So in that case, I just put it in the continuous mode and then just walk the length of the road. Yeah.
So you're able to get how long the road is from a continuous point.
Right, yeah. And it's kind of, it's mostly straight, but where it connects to another road, it kind of curves. So I wouldn't have been able to do that. For example, putting the survey tripod down and then, recording a point, move it a meter, do another point. That would have been really tedious. So it was really nice because I think you can configure the delay or refresh time, I think, but it's like 0.3 seconds or 0.5 seconds. It will measure a new point. So you can just hold it. For example, for a traditional GPS, it averages all out in the error, right? Because it's so inaccurate anyways. But with the RTK, especially with the RTK fix, then you have 5 to 10 centimeters of error, which when you're just walking, your body is moving up and down. That will show up in the data, right? So if you really want accurate data, you need to have better tools, basically. Yeah.
GeoNet. Mind the sky.